Are you scrolling Instagram just for free and wasting your time? Then please stop to do this. Start earning a passive income from Instagram, and don't worry, I am here to tell you. Yes, you can make money on Instagram. Instagram is one of the top platforms where influencers and creators can monetize their content, and there are many other methods to earn money on Instagram. If you want to earn money on Instagram, keep watching this video till the end, because in this video I have explained all methods and also will explain how you can get fast success on Instagram. If you skip this video, then you will miss the valuable tips. So let's get started. Number 1, influencer marketing. Become an influencer is one of the best way to make money on Instagram. You can create and share engaging content around a brand or business. You will receive gift or money. This might take the form of sponsor post or shout out, where you positively shout out about a brand or product on your Instagram account with the story or post. Reels can also be used to promote sponsor content or include link to your website and service. You will get paid per post with your followers count and engagement rate setting the price. Who have 500 to 10,000 followers get paid between $10 to $100 per post. Who have 10,000 followers to 50,000 followers earn about $100 to $500 per post. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Unlikely become an influencer getting paid per post. As an affiliate, you can get paid on commission. The average affiliate commission rate to expect is anywhere between 5% to 30%. Your sale will get tracked with a unique promo code or unique link. On Instagram, affiliate program go by the name brand ambassador. You can apply to become one on a company website or approached by the brand. The number of followers you have is not a deciding factor for brand looking to hire affiliate. They want to see that you are a fitting person how connect with their audience. Number 3, Instagram shop. A Instagram shop is almost like running an online store. After creating your shop, upload your product images, write description and add price of your product. The user can discover your items and check out without ever leaving Instagram. Follow these 5 steps for creating a Instagram shop. Number 1, convert your Instagram account to a business account. Number 2, connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account. Number 3, upload a product catalog. Number 4, complete account review. Number 5, turn on shopping. Number 4, selling product. Instagram is all about visuals. So if you are a designer, photographer or content creator, it's time to cash your talent. You can sell your photos to other people, which is very common in travel industry, or you can sell your content such as videos and illustrations. If you have a photography website or online portfolio, think of Instagram as a storefront window of your work and use it to get more clients. Number 5, drive traffic to your website. 80% of people survey said Instagram helped them discover and buy new products or services. The more people who see your brand on Instagram, the better chance they will buy from your website. To help you make more money online, you can use Instagram Interactive to drive traffic to your website. With the help of all your Instagram visitors, you can boost sales, grow your email marketing list, and expand your loyal community of customers. Number 6, Instagram ad. In the end of 2022, Facebook was announced they plan to invest over $1 billion in programs that allow creators to earn money from the content they create. Maybe they will do it again. No, Instagram monetize your reels, but this feature is not available in every country. One of these programs is the Creator Fund, which allow you to monetize your content through Instagram TV ad, Instagram live badges, and bonuses. Number 7, offer paid subscription. Guys, if you have a good fan following and you have successfully hooked your followers to your content, then it's a better idea to offer them the chance to engage with exclusive content. You can offer a paid subscription. For this service, you can use third-party tools like Patreon or Substack to earn money on Instagram from subscription. Well, you can also open an online store to offer unique content for paid subscribers who sign in. Now it's time to discuss some tips that will help you to get fast success and you can easily grow your page. Number 1, pick a niche. Choose a niche to focus on and be an expert in. It will be a much easier to gain followers and brand partnership. You can have a clear and specific target audience from the start. Number 2. Regular engage with others. Build a strong community by like, comment, messages and share other people content. Number 3. Add tags. Use hashtag, geotags and brand tags in your post and across your brand content. So there you have it, the top 7 ways to make money on Instagram. Success on Instagram requires dedication, consistency and authentic engagement with your audience. Choose the method that aligns with your brand and most importantly, you have fun along with the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification